Welcome to the in front of me Realme Pad, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So the first way, just go to the settings application and tap on the sound section. As you can see here, we got the notification volume panel. Just to disable your notification sound, swipe with your finger this blue dot to the left side, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just will turn on our notifications again, and now just here on this side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just here tap to the up or to the volume down or volume button, that doesn't matter, and here you will see the volume panel, and just then tap to the settings icon, and you will also just launch the sound settings, and just by the same way swipe this dot to the left side, and you will just mute your notification sound by this way. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.